Hey guys, it's Connor from Raney's. Do you want a rig that you can be proud of? Don't let rust, pollen, and bugs ruin the rig that you've worked so hard on. Let that chrome shine with the Zephyr Super Shine X polishing kit and turn heads when you travel down the highway. This kit has everything you need to transform your cab's appearance from rusty and rough into a smooth, shiny, near mirror-like look. All of these items are part of this kit, including a primary cut yellow-orange cloth airway wheel for aggressive polishing, a secondary cut purple-green cloth wheel to smooth the primary cut surface, a finishing blue-white wheel for a high luster shine, Pro 40 metal polish, compatible rouge bars for each wheel, as well as the necessary safety flange for your buffing wheels. You can use this kit to polish fuel tanks, aluminum wheels, steps, exhaust pipes, toolboxes, and all sorts of other chrome on your rig. Pick up one of these Zephyr kits and start polishing like the professionals. For more information, visit us at Raneys.com.